Here's how real estate agents can generate leads on social media. My name's Dan Stewart, founder of Happy Grasshopper, where we're currently nurturing nearly 40 million relationships for real estate professionals. We do not have to guess about how to create the engagement that you need, and I'm gonna give you tactical advice now you can execute on immediately. Creating engagement on social media requires you to be consistent. It's really easy today to just hire a service that posts to social media for you, and yet when you do that, you almost never get engagement. Here's how to fix it in just 10 minutes per day. So first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Happy Grasshopper account, and you will see that our staff curates content for you. Once every 2 weeks, we're pushing new messaging here to your account. And all you have to do is simply download an image, copy the text, and then share to whichever social media platforms you're active in. Now here's the recipe to have success with this. In those 10 minutes per day, you find one post that you like, download the image, copy the text, go to the social media channels of your choice, and post it there. Now, while you're on those channels, this is very important. I want you to like a minimum of 10 other posts, and I want you to comment on those posts that you're liking. We need to teach the algorithms at the social media companies that you're an engaged user. Your behavior on those platforms matters. Now, throughout the day, the post you've made is going to get likes, it's going to get comments, it may get shares. And when those things happen, I'd like you to find time throughout the day to like their comments, to reply to their comments, and to thank them in the DMs for sharing. That's your playbook for social media. If you want help with your social media strategy, go to happygrasshopper.com. We have a staff of professional US-based writers who create content that's authentic to who you are. Check us out.